Hello, guys. Welcome to the multidimensionaltrading.com video series. This is video number 2 of our 10-part series. Today's lesson, we will be going over a very simple concept which we call equal lows. I know some traders are used to looking at the market and calling this area that they are seeing the retail name by support. However, we call it equal lows for a very specific reason, and we're going to get into that in just a minute. Equal highs is the counterpart to equal lows. However, we're going to focus on why we call it equal lows and what makes it different from retail support. This is one of the simplest trading strategies that anyone can apply or implement onto their chart. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the 1 minute chart. We'll start there. What equal lows is and how it is used is that we're looking at the equal points of contact on this horizontal line here. If we can find equal points of contact on this horizontal line, that is what we call equal lows because the lows are equal in price, space, and time. Now, what we're looking for are matches on multiple time frames to confirm if our equal lows are high probability. And that is all we need to do. It's very simple. We can see on the 1 minute, we have equal lows here on the 1 minute. We go to our 3 minute chart. We have the very same equal lows on our 3 minute chart. We go to our 5 minute chart. We have the same equal lows on our 5 minute chart. We go to our 15-minute chart. We have the same equal lows on our 15-minute chart. We go to our 30-minute chart. We have the same equal lows on our 30-minute chart as well. What we are looking for ultimately are matches on multiple time frames. That is why we consider equal lows to be equal lows and not a basic support area. The psychology of it is if you can find equal lows on multiple time frames, you will have high probability setups to go long. Every time it's made those equal lows, what did it do? It bounced. Bounced. Right? Bounce. Bounce. Get those equal lows off this horizontal line. And the way we know that it is a high probability setup for us to go long is that we find matches on multiple time frames. Okay, we are looking at multiple dimensions. We are taking a measurement of multiple time frames. That's all a dimension is a measurement. By looking at multiple time frames, we are allowed to see what the people trading the 1 minute chart are thinking and will most likely do. We can see what the people on the 3 minute chart are thinking and trading and what they will most likely do. On the 5 minute, we know what they're thinking. On the 15 minute, we can see what their opportunities are as well. On the 30 minute, we can see the people who are trading the 30 minute chart are going to do and what they're thinking as well. We have insight into multiple groups of people and how they will trade by looking at multiple time frames and lining up the equal lows. That is all there is to do. It is a very simple concept, a very common sense concept. If people on the 1 minute are seeing the same thing, people on the 3 minute are also seeing the same thing, on the 5 minute, on the 15 minute, on the 30 minute, they have the same ideas in mind. So we know there will be a high probability chance of strong buying pressure because we have all these day trading time frames and groups of people looking at the same thing. Some guys play the 1 minute, some girls and gals, guys play the 2, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute chart, and they're equal lows for all of them. We have matches on multiple time frames, and that's what makes equal lows a powerful tool to use when trading the markets. This is one of the simplest things and ways to pull funds from the market. Um, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. We definitely suggest to go out and open a demo account before putting any funds into the market so you can practice and back test these strategies and then see for yourself that this happens over and over on every chart, no matter what asset you trade. It doesn't matter if it's crypto, it doesn't matter if it's indices, forex trading, commodities, oil, gold. The concepts work on every chart that you trade. All you would have to do is look for matches on multiple time frames, and you will have high probability setups right there in your lap. It is as simple as that. At multidimensional trading, we will give you the most simplest ways to read and understand the market. Because all we're really doing is just understanding what is most likely going to happen in the market by reading what everyone is thinking and doing. That is simple as that. If the people on the 1 minute view this area as support, great. We know we're looking for equal points in contact, which we call equal lows. Then we can see the people on the 3 minute also view this area as support. Great. They're all thinking about buying here. We're going to be able to catch a run. Okay, it doesn't have to be a huge run because if you take the math, look at this. This is forex. So forex goes by pips, right? Say we bought down here in this area, 109.095. It ran all the way up to 109.222. That's already over 100 pip move. If you put one lot, that's a quick $100. You put two lots, that's $200. You put three lots, that's $300 in a matter of 3, 6, 9, it's about 12 minutes. $300 in about 12 minutes. That's all that is. That's all it takes is catching high probability setups to make a nice chunk of change in a relatively short period of time. All we're looking for is matches on multiple time frames, finding our equal lows, our equal points of contact on our horizontal line on multiple time frames. We can see what the 1 minute people are thinking. We can also see what the people trading the 3 minute are thinking. We can see what the people on the 5 minute are thinking. We can also see what the people on the 15 minute are thinking. It's as simple as that. And if they all have the same chart relatively in front of them, they will all be thinking or having the inclination to take about the same action. In this case, it would be a buy, right? Equal lows is where we have the opportunity to go long. We're not just looking for a simple support. We're looking for matches on multiple time frames. So we understand what everyone in the marketplace on these day trading time frames, these scalping day trading time frames, are thinking. Remember, the long doesn't have to last forever. You don't have to hold forever to make a nice chunk of change. Even if you put one lot, that was a quick $100. I mean, you do that 20 days out of the month. That's $2,000 just trading simple concepts. I don't know about you, but I definitely could enjoy and use an extra $2,000 a month. And again, this is not financial advice. Go out, back test this, use paper money, use a demo account. This is one of the easiest or simplest ways to trade. Here at Multidimensional Trading, we are only going to give you the simplest things to understand. This is lesson number 2. Like, subscribe. Lesson number 3 will be coming soon. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.